The gay Igbo man who is juicy, moisturized, hydrated, glowy, and unbothered. We are going window shopping, my man and I. I want to go and check a few things to see what I think. My baby is laughing. I want to go window shopping. Let's go. I'm going to this camera store. I want to get a feel of some of the cameras that I've been thinking about to see what I think. This is so annoying. So there's this camera shop. They sell cameras, solely cameras, like different types of camera. We got there and they are closed. They closed at 12:30. I was so pissed. I was looking forward to checking things at it. So I'm going to go into a particular store here. They sell cameras. I just want to have a feel of a particular camera if they have it. I've gone to this shop before and he gave me suggestions of two cameras. I wanted a similar brand but it was compact and he gave me suggestions. Is what it is. Let me just go and check this quickly. Baby, let's go. This is so disappointing. We decided to go in and got something to eat. I had pad thai curry. Baby, what did you have?
I had some vegetarian stuff, I don't know.
And I had homemade lemonade as well, so that's what we had. The particular camera that I was looking for, they just don't have it like in most of these stores, but that particular camera store as well, I checked their website and they don't have it on their website. The annoying thing is, I just couldn't check it. At the same time, we had a really good afternoon. At least I went out with my man. We spent some time together and had our food. We've had a wonderful day. Thank you so much for spending some time with this juicy Igbo gay man who is moisturized, hydrated, sexy, glowy, and unbothered. I'm a gay man, I'm Igbo, that's my culture. I will always be an Igbo man, whether you like it or not. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.